If you're facing tax issues or planning for the year ahead, understanding the potential costs of hiring a tax attorney in 2024 is essential. Today, we're going to explain everything you need to know about finding the right tax help without breaking the bank. Tax attorneys can be a lifeline when dealing with complex tax issues, audits, or negotiations with the IRS. But how much should you expect to pay for their services? Let's break it down. Tax attorneys typically offer one of three main types of billing methods. Hourly rate. This is the most common method where you pay for each hour your attorney works on your case. Rates can vary significantly based on the attorney's experience and location. Some might charge as low as $200 per hour, while those from top-tier firms in big cities may charge over $1,000 per hour. On average, tax attorneys charge between $200 to $700 per hour. The total cost will depend heavily on the complexity of your tax situation and the specifics of what you need them to do. Fixed or flat fee. For clients looking for some predictability in their legal bills, many attorneys offer flat fee arrangements. This means you'll know the total cost up front for specific services. For instance, resolving tax disputes might cost anywhere from $3,000 to $7,500, depending on the complexity of the case. Contingency basis. It's important to note that in tax law, attorneys are generally not allowed to charge on a contingency basis due to potential conflicts of interest. This method, where attorneys get paid only if they win the case, could lead to unethical practices in tax cases. Initial consultations can also vary in cost. Some attorneys might offer a free initial consultation, while others may charge between $100 to $500. This first meeting is crucial for both you and the attorney to assess your case and determine the best course of action. Cost considerations for a tax attorney. Let's take a closer look at what it costs to hire a tax attorney in 2024 and what types of services you can expect for your money. This information is very important whether you're a business owner, an individual facing complex tax issues, or just trying to plan ahead. First up, we have general tax advice. This is where your tax attorney can help you understand the tax implications of your decisions. For this service, rates range from $200 to $700 per hour, depending on the complexity of your questions and the expertise of the attorney. Next, if you're dealing with specific issues like filing back taxes or correcting errors on previous returns, you'll be looking at basic tax resolution services. Here, the costs are generally around $4,000 based on typical cases. And for those facing more serious challenges, such as audits or allegations of tax fraud, you'll need serious legal support. For serious tax legal matters, fees can start at $200 to $700 per hour, with total costs highly dependent on the complexity of your case. These rates reflect not just the time spent on your case, but also the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're navigating these challenging issues with expert advice. Now, let's look at some common services and what you might expect to pay. Installment agreements. These typically start between $750 and $1,500. This is for setting up a payment plan with the IRS to handle your back taxes. Offer in compromise, or OIC. If you're looking to settle your tax debts for less than what you actually owe, this starts from $3,500 to $6,500. Penalty abatement. To reduce or eliminate penalties accrued on your taxes, fees generally fall between $1,000 and $2,500. Handling audits varies widely. Simple IRS audit. You could be looking at costs from $2,000 to $3,500. Complex IRS audit. For more involved cases, fees start at $5,000. IRS appeals. If you need to challenge an IRS decision, this could set you back $5,000 to $7,500. U.S. tax court litigation. And for those needing to take their tax disputes into the courtroom, fees start at $10,000. Understanding this fee structure helps you budget appropriately and ensures that when you do choose a tax attorney, you're fully aware of the potential costs. Always discuss fees in detail during your initial consultation to avoid any surprises. If you're currently looking for more detailed guidance, Visit our website, jdavidtaxlaw.com, or call us at 877-845-2460 to schedule a consultation. Whether you're just getting started or searching for advanced strategies, we're here to assist you every step of the way.